Craig, it's been a happy hunting ground for you in recent years at Cardiff Met. What did you make of your performance today?
Yeah, I thought the first probably 55-60 minutes, especially the first 45 minutes, were magnificent. It's the best we've been all season. We dominated the game with shots, crosses, corners, possession. Must be 65-70% possession. Looked a real threat. Good combination play. Looked after the ball really well. And obviously we were disappointed with the one counter attack we had and scored. And then followed on second half for 10-15 minutes and then took our foot off the pedal a little bit and seen the game out. So really pleased with the overall performance, but especially the first 45-55 minutes was outstanding.
Mae'n 8 gêm heb ennill, ond ydych chi'n teimlo bod y perfformiadau ddim wedi cael eu hadlewyrchu yn y canlyniadau?
Heb os, yn edrych ar 3 neu 4 gêm lle allan ni wedi cael fwy na just gêm gyfartal. Ond wedyn mae rai gemau lle ni wedi perfformio am 45 munud. So, fi wedi bod yn beirniadol o'r boes a fi wedi gofyn nhw ac yn gweld ers fi beirniadu nhw lan yn y Flint ac yn erbyn bai Colwyn, maen nhw wedi ymateb. Ac ni wedi mynd nôl i wneud pethau fwy sylfaenol ac mae'r sylfaen na gyda ni nawr i gicio mlaen. So na, o'i ddim yn becso am hwnna o gwbl. Achos os nag yn ni'n sgorio, os nag yn ni'n wneud y pethau yna. Heddi ni wedi ildio golau yn erbyn y Seintiau, mae tîm eraill wedi colli 5-6 ac ati, so oedd ddim yn becso am hwnna o gwbl. So mae sylfaen da i mynd ymlaen yn erbyn Pen y Bont, Caernarfon yr wythnos yma hefyd, so gawn ni weld.
It may not have escaped some people's notice that since you're back in the team, you've been on a decent winning run again. How is the atmosphere now in the dressing room, and are you feeling that momentum starting to build?
Yeah, definitely. I think look at the performance tonight. We were really good. Moved the ball really well. Probably our best stuff of the season, I'd say. So yeah, momentum's building. The mood in the dressing room is really good, and everyone can feel that we're playing some good stuff. So it's time to kick on, keep getting them results, and yeah, it's good.